Hello students and welcome back. So today we are going to learn about table. So how to insert a table, how to insert data in a table and many more topics about a table. Okay. So let's see how to insert a table in OpenOffice Writer. So to insert a table, you can insert the table option present in the standard toolbar. From here you can directly insert it, or you can insert from the insert tab. Okay, insert and their table option is there. So we are going to see both. So in this table option, if you click on this down arrow there, you can see a grid. Actually the grid is representing the number of rows and columns present in in the table. So suppose I need 3 rows and 4 columns. So here, from here we can select like this. Just move your mouse over there, you move your mouse pointer over there, you can see that 4x3 table is selected, and as soon as you click on it, the table will appear in your text area. So there you can enter the data inside the table. Like I am creating a table here, like student table, roll number, here name, here class, and here section. To move from one cell to another cell, you can use the tab to go next, or you can move by using the arrow keys present in the keyboard. So this is the table I have created: roll number, name, class, and section. Okay, so this is how we can create. Or if you want to add another table in the different way, you can go to the insert menu, click on the table, or you can press the Ctrl F12. So you can see that a table insert table dialog box appears. Here it is asking for number of columns and number of rows. So here you can give the number of columns 4 and number of rows, suppose I need 3. Then click on OK. So you can see same type of table will appear. So you can choose any of the options. So I do not need this table right now. I need this table. So inside the table, now I can start entering the data. Suppose I am entering roll number 1 and name is suppose Abhijit Roy, class suppose class 5, and Shushruta. And here suppose I am entering roll number 3 and class 5, again section Shushu. So this table I have created. Now if you need to insert a column or a row after any present row or any column, suppose I need to insert the father's name here. So the father's name should be appearing after the name column. So just click anywhere inside the column, and here you can see that few options are available: insert row, insert column, delete row, delete column. I need to insert a column, so click on it. Automatically the column will appear where your mouse pointer is blinking after that. Okay, so I need to insert your father's name, and here the father's name will appear. So similarly, if you want to add a row, like I have written here 1, so there should be roll number 2. So just place the cursor at any position of this row, click on insert row. So immediately a new row will be created after the selected row. So here I can insert the roll number 2 and write the name and details whatever I need. Okay, so this is how we can insert row, insert column. Similarly we can delete it also. So just if you want to delete the entire row, place your cursor anywhere there and click on the delete row. If you want to delete a column, place your cursor in a column and click on the delete column. So this is how we can create or delete a row or column. Next is that is split cell and merge cell. Split cell and merge cell is very useful feature of a table, because this allow us to create more cells inside a remaining cell. Suppose I need this cell to be divided into 2 different cells. So just place your cursor there, and here the option is split cell. So click on it. So as soon as you are clicking on it, So it is asking that it is horizontally or vertically you are trying to split. I need to split it vertically. So select it, and how many cells? I need 2 cells. Click on OK. So you can see vertically 2 cells has been created here, 2 different cells. So this is how we can split the cell. Or if you need to join 2 cells, then select the cells. Suppose I need to join these 2 cells, so select the cells, or you may select more than 2 cells, and there is an option merge cells. So click on the merge cells. You can see that the 2 cells has been merged and the data also has been merged into a single cell. So this is how we can create a merge cell. You can use the merge cell and split cell option. Okay, so going back to the previous format. Next, how can you place the data in a proper position in the cell? Suppose this data is present at the left side. If I need to present at the right side, you can adjust it from the control R, control E center, control L left. And if you want to increase or decrease the height and width of cell, just you have to place the mouse pointer at the border of the cell. Just like if I want to increase the height of this row, click here. So mouse pointer has been changed, and click and drag. So it is changing. Now if you want to place this name or this heading to a particular place, suppose I need at the center here. So first of all, if you go to the control E, it will be appearing at here, but at the top position. So for that, inside the cell, you have to use these 3 options, that is top, but center and bottom. I need at the center. So click on the center, it will appear at the center. So this is how we can use the various properties and various options of a cell, of a table. There is another option, that is auto format. Auto format is option is available to give a formatting effect to the table. So click on it, and auto format dialog box appear. Here you can see various formats as you are changing, as you are trying to change different selecting different options, different auto formats. You can see different type of formatting appears. So select any one you like I am selecting this. So after you select, the entire format of the table will change. Okay, so this is how you can apply the auto format. Next and the last topic of our OpenOffice Writer, that is how to print. It is one of the most usable feature of any Word document or any document, because after creating a document, most of the time we need to print it. So to print, how can you print? So before printing, we need to check that our printing area or whatever is printing, is it printing properly or not. So to see that, you have to go to the page preview option. As soon as you click on the page preview option, the entire preview of the page will be appearing on the screen. So you can see that, you can zoom it as much as you require and see the all portions, that all are correct or not. If correct, then close the preview, and this is the print. This is the print file, print to the file directly option, or you can go to the file option and go to the print option. Okay, so if you are clicking on the print option, this is appearing. As no printer is connected to my computer, so it will not show the printer, otherwise it will show the printer here. Okay, so then if you click on the print button, the entire document will be printed. So I hope the topics I have discussed today, you understand it properly. So that's all for today's lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.